What's up guys, it's Rowan here from Smart TV. And if you're in year 11, you're gonna have your end of year 11 exams. And it's gonna be the first block of exams that you have where you've got 2 weeks of exams. Everything in 2 weeks. And you even don't have to go to school when you don't have an exam. Now, end of year 11 exams are sort of a little weird because they don't count for anything, right? Like only year 12 counts, but they're going to set a foundation for you for year 12. If you do horribly here, you're not going to go into year 12 feeling confident and having a strong foundation to nail year 12. So as a result, doing as well as possible in your end of year 11 exams is really important. But how? How do you prepare for your first exam block that you've ever had before? That's what we're going to cover in this video. So number one, you need to have a plan. When you've got all your subjects in a single exam block, if you don't have a plan, everything's gonna unravel. The old cliche, failing to plan is planning to fail, is very, very true. Now there's a really simple way you can do this. What I want you to do is to create something we call a wall chart. And we'll put a template below this video that you can use to do this. But essentially, I want you to get a piece of paper and write your subject on it. I want you to write a goal mark. What do you want to achieve in your end of year 11 exams for that subject? And then underneath it, I want you to just do a fat to-do list. That's right, I want you to write down everything you can think of that you need to do to give yourself the best chance of getting that goal mark in your end of year exams. Now, once you've done that, I want you to start thinking about, okay, when do I need to do these things? Do I need to do it this week, next week, the week after? And then I want you to start moving those items on that to-do list across a couple of different weeks so that you know every single week what you've got to do to help you prepare for that exam. Now, it's called a wall chart for a reason, because you're going to stick it on your wall. You're going to pop it up on a wall, and then every time you complete something, you're going to cross it off. And that way you've got a real-time progress bar on how you're going towards your end of year 11 exams. So that's point number one. Let's now jump in to number two. So the next strategy that you need to do to prepare for your end of year 11 exams is to do past papers. I mean, look, I think that makes sense, right? It's the first time you're gonna have to do a full sort of year's worth of content for your prelim, HSC in a single sitting. So you want to develop the endurance. Now, a couple of sort of caveats here. Number one, doing an entire past paper is going to be difficult if you've got the new syllabus and there's not a whole lot of content yet available or a whole lot of past papers. And number two, doing a full past paper isn't always the best solution because you're going to disproportionately work on stuff that you already know. And remember, point two was to work on weak areas. So a good compromise is to identify questions that are past, question style. Maybe they're from past year's papers, be it on the different syllabus that you can align to the new syllabus and to work on those. So you might not be doing a full paper in a single sitting, but you're working on past paper questions, which is really, really critical, focusing on your weak areas because that's what matters. So that's it, guys. That's how you prepare for your end of year 11 exams. Number one, you've got to have a plan, right? Because without a plan, things are going to unravel quickly and you're going to end up cramming. Number two, you've got to focus on weak areas. The weak areas are really, really critical because that's what's going to make the difference. And number three, you want to work on past exam questions. Not necessarily the whole paper, although if your school gives you one, fantastic, but past questions focusing on your weak areas, which are your red areas. Now, if you're struggling as part of preparing for your end of year 11 exams, at Smart, we've got an incredible team of teachers and tutors and mentors that can help you. We're across all of Sydney and in our campus in Hornsby, and we do both one-on-one in your home, as well as at our campus in small groups and one-on-one. We've got an amazing track record. We've helped over 4,000 students on average improve their results by just under 20%. That's right, it's absolutely crazy. And we have a holistic approach, right? So it's not just about helping you, learn the formula and learn how to write the essay, although sure, that's important. It's also about helping you with the strategies that you need, like some of the ones I'm sharing with you now, to help you prepare effectively, get confident, not get stressed about the exams, manage your time effectively to nail them. So if we can help, get in touch with us. Go to our website at artismart.com.au. If you've got any questions about preparing for your end of year exams, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help. And finally, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications. We're bringing videos every single week. I'll see you next week.